Yes, hi everyone, today I want to show you, I will peel down everything inside this smartwatch. This smartwatch I get from my friend. That this is the very old smartwatch and this is not Apple smartwatch. This is a Chinese brand. You can see inside when you peel the cover up. You see the battery. It's a small battery. And then if you peel off the battery, you will see this is a SIM card. You can put SIM card. This is you can just to call, to receive from. You can connect Bluetooth to your smartphone and can get notifications from your smartphone. Okay. Also, you can use this as a if you want to call from this. Yes. Okay. And also, this one is support SIM card and memory card here. So I will peel down everything out. You can see this is a speaker here. You can peel this up. Everything is okay. This is a vibration. This is a small camera. Also, it's smartwatch. You can take photos inside for this camera. This is a chip, a small chip. This is a microphone. This is a button, power button. This is a micro USB. Yeah. This one is the display. You can see it's very small display. Yeah. Very small display. You can touch. It says touch screen here. Very simple. A little tossing for design for smartwatch. Yeah.